Well, Gene, we're here at the Glenmoor Gathering of significant automobiles, but this is a pretty significant truck.
We are extremely happy with it.
This is gorgeous, and when I saw it from afar, I saw the back end of it, and I thought it was a Hudson. I wasn't sure, and then you got a kind of a Ford front end, and 37 Ford or something. But she's a Chevy. So.
Yes, a 46 Chevy.
Wow.
It's extremely modified.
Yeah.
The top has been chopped 3 inches. It's been channeled 4 inches from the bottom to set it down and give us that low look, fast look.
It's got that.
Yes, it does.
And what a great color combo. I mean,
it's a mixed color. We started out being a darker green on top and a lighter green on the bottom, and then we're thinking, well, it's going to be too heavy on top or too heavy on the bottom. So we had some renderings made and just kind of picked it out of the rendering and said, well, let's just try it and see what it looks like with it in the middle.
It works.
And see what happens.
Oh gosh, it works. And I like how you've got this kind of sweep spear and a little bit of a maroon detail back there.
Yeah, it's a copper look.
Is that a custom grill?
It's a custom grill in the front. Obviously, the 46 Chevy has a flat-nosed grill in it, and I wanted something with a nose on it that looked about like a 37 Ford.
Exactly, yeah.
And with that was a lot of modification to the front of the truck in doing so. These are original cans for buckets, and we dropped them into the fender and rounded the top off. So it made a nice, sleek look, fast-running looking truck.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh, but man, this interior. It's almost a basket weave or something.
It is a weave, and actually my wife had something to do with that.
It's killer, and you've kind of kept the same colors going through.
The idea of it is to go ahead and get the theme, because we were going for the Ridler, for contending for the Ridler, and we needed the theme from the front of the truck through the interior and the back of the truck.
Yeah. So you upholstered the bed.
Yes. And the bed obviously
I've never seen that. You upholstered the bed.
Well, for a Ridler contender, they're saying that the interior in the truck and the bed is all interior. That's all one interior.
Oh man. So I mean, everything's molded in. You've molded everything.
Well, there again, to have a nice, fast-looking truck and sleek-looking truck, we actually welded everything together. The bed and the body was all welded as one.
And then, here again, like you say, you extended and swooped these rear fenders, and they look slick.
We extended the fenders, and we actually dropped the fenders down on the front fenders and made the wheel opening smaller, so it didn't show so much of the wheel.
It looks fast sitting still. Does it have something under the hood that would make it fast?
Oh yes. We
got a Chevy? Or?
No. We got a 6.1 Hemi.
Are you serious?
Oh yes.
Well, that 6.1 Hemi is pretty serious.
Yes, it is. Let me get it open for you here.
So you got a button for opening.
Oh yes. We have a button for everything. And we ended up with putting the cow pins and hose the hood up, and you don't have a prop.
That is nice. Wow. And what a injection system on there.
We have a Momar fuel injection. All of the stacks are all custom. We wanted the custom look for all. The engine runs on an angle, obviously.
Yeah.
And to have it all looking custom and looking flat with the top, we end up custom making the velocity stacks on it. So they're all stainless, the velocity stacks.
Yeah, it's just gorgeous. Thank
you.
And what do we have here?
Well, we have power steering, and we have our overflow for radiator, and then a radiator cap.
Nice.
So everything's custom. All the parts are all custom.
And this is all metal?
This is all metal.
Hand
Everything is metal. Everything's metal. Everything.
Wow. Well, close her back up. Oh, now
we got to get the right. We got to get the right button.
Okay, so that retracts the pins.
And we pull the pins back in.
And then she comes down.
And then come down.
Wow. Well, now, here you are at the Glenmoor Gathering of significant automobiles.
Absolutely.
With a Ridler.
It's a Ridler contender.
Ridler contender truck.
Right. We made the grade 8.
You made the grade 8?
Yes, we did. Yes.
So how does it feel to be at the Glenmoor Gathering?
Very nice.
I bet people have just been flocking to this thing all day.
Yes. And it makes me pretty happy and proud.
I bet it does. Gene, fabulous ride, man. I love this truck.
Thank you, Dennis. I appreciate it.
This truck. Beauty.